It's a frog, deep fried frog.
Welcome back mga kabisdak! This episode ay pumunta tayo sa Thailand. Alam nyo ba kung saan ito? Ito ay nasa Southeast Asia at napapaligiran ito ng bansang Laos at Cambodia sa silangan, Malaysia sa timog at bansang Myanmar naman sa kanluran. Alam nyo ba mga kabisdak na ang salitang Siamese ay nagmula sa Thailand tulad na lang ng Siamese cat na native sa Thailand dahil ang bansang Thailand ay dati itong tinatawag na Siam. O alam nyo na, sana tapusin nyo ang video na to at huwag kalimutang mag-like at subscribe.
Wadika. It's okay. So we're going down to bath there.
Bring the food to them. 包龟อยู่ไหนอีกอ่ะ
Oh, there's one more. There's one more. Oh, what's that food?
小雨，我不要小雨，去他去新哥那呀。金哥来给，金哥来，金哥拉小雨过去，金哥拉小雨过去。
有弟弟，那鼓掌。
I hope you get that.
Oh my Buddha.
Hold your camera, man.
Hey! Yeah.
Say hi.
翻过来，翻过来，翻过来，翻。
Now I leave Chiang Mai. I'm going back to Bangkok because tomorrow morning I'm flying to Vietnam. And this time I fly is 3 o'clock and the time now is 2:30. I need to catch my flight. I need to go to the boarding gate. Here in Chiang Mai it's really hot. So I'm heading to Grand Palace and you need to pay some entrance fee. It's worth 400 baht. So let's go, let's cross the streets. Right here. Just here.
Oh, จะเปลี่ยนแม็กก็พี่รัวทั้งหมดแม็กเลย
frog, deep fried frog. Nothing. You know the grasshopper? I bought this one for 60 baht. 3 grasshopper, 2 frog, and silkworm. It's good. They put soy sauce, then a little bit of vinegar, chili powder. You need to chew it properly, or else it will stuck. So this is the frog now. This is the frog. Sawadika. I'm departing from Thailand, bound to Vietnam, and now I'm going to immigration to exit. I already cleared from Thai immigration. Good thing here in Thailand, there's a priority lane for ASEAN nation members. So it's an opportunity for us because it's easy for you to clear from Thai immigration. So that's a good thing.